Hey guys, it's Casey from the Overland Truck Store. I got John, the YouTuber, Grand Explorations rig in the shop today. We're gonna do some work on it, upper control arms, some bushings, and other maintenance work for him. So come follow along and let's get it done. If you like it, hit the like, subscribe button, and let's get to the action. All right, we're getting rid of the Camber Kings, and we are going to the Godspeed upper control arms. Way bigger benefits going to this from aluminum to steel. Heim joints for way better articulation. A little bit more maintenance, but in the long run, it's way better to go to this joint.
I already brought this list up. That's what it says.
Sure, I'm everybody.
That guy. Hey, look, it's the same issue.
So I got this bolt out. So this is nothing against my boy John, Grand Exploration. It's nothing against him. This is just a typical installation and maintenance PSA, okay? Key with these bolts when you do this is anti-seize on them, lubrication. What happens is over time, as you flex these out and you go off-roading and do cool stuff, aluminum and steel like to melt together with heat and cold contractions. This is what they do. They get stuck. This is actually supposed to be mounted to that, but it actually broke off.
Oh, it's sheared.
It sheared completely off of there.
Holy
So
crap.
that's the little thing you want to know about this is lubrication and anti-seize works great. Keeps things from doing this over time.
They've only been in for, what, a little over a month?
Yeah, they've only been over a little month, but to you, that's like 8 months for the average person of off-roading, okay? So we know what you do.
Oh, yeah. She's good to go.
Just trying to clean it up.
Are ready to,
Do a steering rack on this?
yeah.
I wouldn't be either, dude.
Good?
I mean, for what you do,
Was she floppy? She's not floppy, is she?
oh,
She's still good.
a little tiny bit of fluid in there. Probably normal.
All right.
So, I mean, it's a little worn out in there, I think, but still holding out.
This is kind of the first time I'm a little disappointed that something's not broken. And what I mean by that is I was fairly certain that these tie rods were shot. Because I've been getting swimming kind of just right to left real easy in the steering. And I was like, oh, my tie rods are probably just shot. Well, no, because they're still holding themselves up. Usually if one is bad, these things will just flop around all willy-nilly. So that leads me to believe that it might be bushings down here. I don't know. They don't look horrible, but they are old. I don't know. We'll see. But we're replacing the tie rods anyway, just to have some bigger ones in there and some newer ones. And maybe I'll just keep these ones in the back in case I need to do a trail repair. We're going to go ahead and put in these Sumo springs by SumoSprings. Big shout out to them for sending them over. We're going to try them out. I got my buddy Joe here. He's going to install these things. So it's like a big, like squishy polymer puck or polyurethane puck. The top has a shallow groove and the bottom has a deeper groove. The deeper groove should face the bottom and the shallow groove should be at the top. They say you don't really need tools, but it is handy to have a little pick, something dull and flat to get them pushed in between the coils.
I'm gonna do that. Slid it around, I think.
And then once you get them seated, you slide it around so that the open ends are facing the outside. And you want to get it at about the halfway mark on your coil.
All right, guys, Casey with the Overland Truck Store. John's is all done from Grand Exploration, and we're gonna wrap it up. So the bet is here in the shop how quick he's gonna be to break it. So like, subscribe, follow us, follow him, see how quick he damages it. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.